Mother's Day 2026 is all about heartfelt celebrations at home. With DIY backdrops, floral, tables, and thoughtful details, you can create a warm and beautiful party space that makes mom feel truly special.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are DIY Mother's Day decorations trending in 2026? In 2026, families are choosing meaningful celebrations over expensive events. DIY decorations allow you to personalize the space while creating a warm atmosphere filled with love and appreciation. Love thoughtful celebrations like this if DIY wins. What table decor works best for a Mother's Day celebration? Use floral centerpieces, elegant table runners, candles, and coordinated dishware. Simple arrangements make the table feel welcoming and refined. Table-styled? Like this if elegance excites you. What party favors work for Mother's Day celebrations? Mini candles, flower bouquets, or sweet treats make thoughtful favors. These small gifts help guests remember the celebration fondly. Favors chosen? Like this if thoughtful details win. What makes a Mother's Day celebration truly special? Thoughtful decorations, heartfelt messages, and quality time together create a meaningful celebration that every mother will cherish. Feeling the love? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What food display ideas fit a Mother's Day table? Serve desserts, pastries, and fruit on tiered trays or decorative plates. Elegant. Presentation makes the table look festive and inviting. Dessert display ready? Like this if sweet treats excite you. What DIY crafts can kids make for the party? Kids can create handmade cards, paper flowers, or personalized signs. These crafts add heartfelt touches that make the celebration even more meaningful. Kid crafts ready? Like this if handmade love matters. How can I create a simple DIY Mother's Day backdrop? Use fabric curtains, floral garlands, and a Happy Mother's Day sign. Balloon clusters or paper flowers add texture and make the backdrop photo ready. Backdrop ready? Like this, if photo moments matter. What balloon decorations match Mother's Day themes? Balloon garlands in blush, cream, and soft gold create a festive yet elegant atmosphere. Organic balloon designs keep the decor modern. Balloon setup planned? Like this if soft colors win. What colors work best for Mother's Day decorations? Soft pink, blush, lavender, cream, and gold accents create an elegant palette. These gentle colors reflect warmth, appreciation, and springtime beauty perfectly. Palette chosen? Like this if soft tones shine. What activities can be included in a Mother's Day party? Guests can share appreciation messages, play light games, or write notes for mom. Simple activities create joyful memories together. Activities planned? Like this if family moments matter. How can I make the decorations feel modern in 2026? Use minimalist styling, neutral tones, and organic balloon designs. Clean layouts create a stylish look while keeping the celebration warm. Modern style approved? Like this, if fresh design wins. Mother's Day decorations in 2026 focus on love, appreciation, and meaningful moments. With DIY backdrops, floral tables, and personal touches, you can create a celebration that truly honors mom. Love these Mother's Day decoration ideas? Like and come back for more. Celebration inspiration.